Hi. So I'm relaunching a video channel here, and I just want to discuss, at least in the first maybe 5 to 10 videos, a definitive view of mind. So first, I want to say that this is a psychological approach to the understanding of the human mind from a perspective that has contemplated ontological subjects for the past 4 years. I'm at the point now where my thought experiment's over. Adapting into any belief related to God is not for me. But in order to transcend those, I had to run various thought experiments because it's very seductive. The religious beliefs and the philosophy from the East, namely that we are all sort of um, fragments of the cosmos in terms of the way that cosmos itself observes itself, fragments of God experiencing a reality that is objective, but for a short period of time. And I don't necessarily reject those beliefs outright, but I view them as part of a greater psychology of the mind and what the mind is capable of contemplating. If you are watching this video here, then to some degree or another, you're extending your center into this video projection on YouTube, and I'm thankful for that. So what I want to say is that what I have to say here is based on a definitive view that I've concluded is how the mind operates. And I'm going to use an analogy of a computer to explain this view. The mind itself is a part of a physical body. So let's say that your physical body is your hardware. Your mind is the software program that operates within that hardware. Your mind is an underlying vehicle which can extend itself and project itself beyond your physical body in contemplating reality. It is the program itself, and your physical body is the hardware, but it's still based and rooted in a very physical, objective reality. The mind itself is using both an abstract and conditioned experience to relate to the physical, objective world through its own objectivity. And so what we have is essentially, in this analogy, the mind itself being the physical body and its relationship to the mind being related to you through the analogy of a computer. Um, the software, for example, that's probably the most important in this analogy, that is the most important in this analogy, is the one in which you relate to the rest of the world. So that's your browser. So we are faced with two realities simultaneously, one that is limited, which is the physical reality, and then one that is less limited, probably unlimited, which is the mind. This is why the Buddhists say it's all mind, because mind itself has that ability to project its existence beyond itself and contemplate greater things. Anyway, the basis of understanding that I'm trying to relate to you is completely psychological. And so this way you have the control over your own conditioning. At some point, you should be able to then condition your mind to function optimally for whatever purpose you use your mind and body in the objective reality for.